Okay, everyone, we're back with another Clear the Clutter with Christine. And today, there's nothing to show. It's a little bit of just giving my opinion on how to actually do the purging when you are deciding what to keep and what to give away. And this is so difficult for so many people, especially women, because there is emotional clutter, believe it or not, in a closet. You could pull something out and say, "Oh, I can't get rid of that." And I'll say, "Why can't you get rid of that?" "Well, I wore it at my daughter's wedding and it doesn't fit. And I don't even know if I like it anymore or if it's my size or fashion, but I can't get rid of it because I wore it at my daughter's wedding." And then I always ask the question, "Oh, when did your daughter get married?" And it's 10 years ago, 15 years ago, whatever it may be. So that's why sometimes in people's closets, they have a really rough time because they hold on to things that no longer fit. They hold on to things that they have an emotional memory attached to, whether it's a big event or something you wore in your 20s, but now you're in your 30s or 40s, and maybe you just don't feel comfortable in it. And you can still wear it, but it's just not your something you really feel comfortable wearing, and you've kind of moved on from that time in your life. And so that's why it's so important to have a friend. Everybody has an organized friend. So if you want to hire a professional organizer, it's great because they are so helpful in helping you decide with a second set of eyes what to keep and what to give away. Like I said, an organized friend, they're awesome because they will be honest with you. And it's so important to try on things and keep a maybe pile because there may be some items you're just not sure about and you need a second opinion. So today was all about clearing the emotional closet clutter and starting fresh, especially what we've all been through. Now is the time to purge and really only keep in our closet the items we're going to wear and the items we love and the items that fit.